Web 1.0 is the first generation of World Wide Web in roughly 1990 to 2004 was a static, one-way platform where content was created only by publishers like company or organizations and consumed only by users. There is no interaction, sharing, or user-generated content. Think of it as an online library or online brochure. For example,
Yeah, yeah.
Merging around 2004 to 2010, this is Web 2.0, transformed the web into an interactive two-way space. Users could now create, share, and collaborate on content alongside publishers. Key features include social media, blogs, forums, and users review, make it a participatory web where everyone could participate. For example,
Web 3.0 is an internet where users own their data, websites can understand information better, and system works without relying on one central company. For example,
Web 4.0 is an internet that can think, predict, and act like a smart assistant, helping people automatically based on their needs. For example,
Together, we built a new future where natural and artificial minds collaborated. Earth was in harmony.